What is going on, YouTube? Technodad here. Welcome to Technodad Games, and this is an unboxing video, and what you're looking at is my brand new Sport White Xbox One controller. Now I got two of these, and I got two of the white Nyko charging block solos. And those things are cool. You can snap them together. We'll get to that in a minute. You know, all the black controllers in my house have been finding their way downstairs to the kids' room, and all of a sudden they'll come back with like a button not working here or there, or the battery's missing. So I got two of these, and I got them in white. God, they look good. Look at this. Of course, I'll put all the links in the description for all this cool stuff if you guys want to check it out. Look at this. Look, the D-pad's like this shiny silver, but kind of matte looking. It's kind of weird. Oh, look at the back. Look at these grips. These are rubberized grips back here, and I'm super stoked because like I'm really like holding on tight when I'm playing Call of Duty. The two-tone on the back is also great. Look at the detail here in the little graphics. Very cool. And we get a couple of batteries, AA, which will not be used. And there's some literature here, like instruction book and Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold, whatever. All right, so yeah, there's one, and here's the other one. Okay, very good. Let's lay that down. All right, now let's take out the Nyko charging block. It has a 1200 milliamp battery. Not really sure what that equates to as time-wise, but pretty good for my situation. We have a micro USB to USB cable, adapter. Now here's the battery that we're going to use in the controller. And here's a battery cover that has a little window if we need. Here's the block. Looks pretty basic. In the back we have a little port to plug it in, and that's what it looks like when it's plugged in. Alright, let's get this battery in here, this side up. That's pretty much all you need to know. Okay, now this took quite some time, and it's kind of lame that it did, but I don't know what the situation was, but your boy got it on. You see the three little bars there coming through the window. That's how the battery gets charged, and we're good to go. So let's speed up the video here just a little bit. Alright, now we got both batteries and both controllers. These things look pretty cool. Alright, so here are the two blocks. Now at the bottom there's a little gap here. Pull that off and exposes a plug and two plastic pieces. So we just gotta put that together. Boop. And there you go. Now we can charge two with just one cable. Do you see that? You see that? See how I did that? Pretty awesome. Look at this. Here it is, guys. Yep. So now, you know, if I see one of these controllers downstairs in my kids' room, I'll be like, hey, this is mine. This is mine, not yours. Look at this. These look great. Love the back here. The feel of the controller is fantastic. All the buttons work. And when you're ready, you just put it on the charging block, and as you notice, the LED charging indicators, if they're flashing, that means they're charging. I'm not sure exactly how long it took to charge. I think it might have been like 2 to 2.5 hours to get fully charged. But when they're fully charged, the LED indicators stay solid as opposed to the flashing from earlier. There we go. That's pretty much it. So I did get these in all white because these will be sitting next to a couple of other peripherals that are also in white. If you want to check all that out, that's going to be debuted on my regular channel called Technodad. I'll put links in the description for that. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I should have some gaming videos coming up in the next couple of weeks. So subscribe up, hit the bell, and like the video, all that cool stuff. All right, I'll see you next time. Peace.